Well, let's look at shares of Apple this morning. They are recovering a bit, of course, after what has been a very sharp sell-off since the company reported earnings late last week. Mike Santoli is with us at Post 9. He's taking a look at the recent weakness in Apple and technology overall.
Yeah, as reflected in the different subsectors of tech, David. So hardware has been the place that's been difficult for the market, more difficult than most. A lot of the bellwether software names, though, it's almost kind of the last bit of high ground in tech that really hasn't been taken out. So look at these two ETFs. That's the standard tech sector ETF in the white. That has Apple with about a 20% weighting in it. It's up 8% year to date, so still doing fine, doing well better than the broad market. But that North American software sector ETF, which is Oracle, Microsoft, Adobe, Salesforce, up a lot more, 18% so far this year, does not have Apple, does not have semiconductors. Those things are crucial. So here is the main S&P tech sector ETF. Those are the familiar names that you know. Of course, Visa has been another good performer, and Microsoft as well. But the hardware like Apple and semis have hurt it. And there you have the software ETF, also the gaming exposure as well. The question now is this just a trend that's going to persist? And is this why Apple wants to be viewed as a software company because it's viewed as a superior business? Or are we in for some kind of a mean reversion here? You know, Apple bouncing today a little bit. It has not yet broken its uptrend. Is it even really a hardware company? And also semis have gotten a little bit of relief. So that's the relationship I think you'd watch in terms of divergences within parts of tech in the growth market.
Would you argue that we are tantalizingly close to your 200-day?
Yeah, you're right in this high traffic zone in the market. And of course, right, you're going to wait for the election results, and you're going to be right around the 200-day moving average, and also at the level of the S&P that has had the greatest amount of crisscrossing traffic all year. Around 2740, I think, is the most highly traded level of the S&P in terms of the futures this year. So there's a quorum at this level. So I think
we just need a vote.
It doesn't mean the first move is wrong or right, but it's interesting that we're kind of at this pivot as we get into the election.
2747 right now.
There you go.